Before biology became the subject you study today, scientists were lost. Millions of organisms, zero clarity. And then came a man who split the entire living world in just two parts. This is the evolution of classification. And it started with a revolution. Father of modern biological classification, Carolus Linnaeus. In the 18th century, Carolus Linnaeus proposed the first organized system of classification. He took all living organisms and placed them into only two kingdoms. But soon, scientists discovered organisms that didn't fit. Fungi don't move, but they aren't plants. Amoeba moves, but is it an animal? The system had cracks, and the next scientist stepped in. Ernst Haeckel introduced a new kingdom. In 1866, Ernst Haeckel introduced a new kingdom that changed everything. He created a third kingdom called Protista. This group included all unicellular organisms that didn't fit into plants or animals. So now the system had three kingdoms: Protista, Plantae, and Animalia. But even this wasn't enough. Fungi still didn't fit. Bacteria were completely different. Life needed more kingdoms. Then comes the man who categorized all life forms into 5 clear groups: Robert Harding Whittaker. In 1969, an American ecologist, Robert Whittaker, proposed the most accepted classification system, the 5-kingdom classification. Monera. These are prokaryotes. They have no true nucleus. This group includes bacteria and cyanobacteria. Protista. These are unicellular eukaryotes. They have a well-defined nucleus. They are the link between prokaryotes and complex organisms. Fungi. Fungi are unique. They don't perform photosynthesis. They are heterotrophic and absorb nutrients. Whittaker finally gave them their own kingdom. Plantae. These are multicellular, autotrophic, and have cell walls made of cellulose. They make food using chlorophyll. Animalia. These are multicellular, heterotrophic organisms without cell walls. This is the most diverse kingdom and includes all animals, including humans. The 5-kingdom system is based on important characteristics: cell type, prokaryotic or eukaryotic; body organization, unicellular or multicellular; mode of nutrition, autotrophic or heterotrophic; reproduction, level of organization. These features make classification scientific and natural. This system solved the major issues of the earlier systems. It clearly separates prokaryotes and eukaryotes. It gives fungi a separate kingdom. It groups all unicellular eukaryotes under Protista. It is more natural and accurate. It explains evolutionary relationships better than any earlier system. Must remember points. Separates prokaryotes and eukaryotes clearly. Gives fungi a separate kingdom. Protista covers all unicellular eukaryotes. More natural and scientific. Explains evolutionary relationships better. So the journey began with 2 kingdoms by Linnaeus. It evolved into 3 kingdoms by Haeckel, and finally into the 5-kingdom system by Whittaker. This is the system accepted in modern biology and followed in NEET. Science becomes simple when you understand the story behind it. This is the Bio Room. Like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic, NEET biology.